Hello everyone! Welcome to our video about the top 15 health benefits of carrots and cucumbers. Are you aware that eating carrots and cucumbers is good for your health in a lot of ways? These two superfoods are full of vitamins and minerals that are good for your health and well-being as a whole. In this video, we'll tell you about the top 15 health benefits of these two superfoods. Watch the whole video to find out why carrots and cucumbers go well together at the end. Carrots are full of vitamin A, which helps your eyes. Vitamin A is important for eye health and helps keep you from going blind at night and having other eye problems. Eating carrots can also help you see better in general. High in antioxidants, which can help keep cancer from getting worse. Carrots are full of antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, which can help keep your cells from getting damaged and lower your risk of getting cancer. Cholesterol levels can be lowered. Carrots have a lot of fiber, which can help lower your cholesterol. This can lower your risk of getting heart disease. Can help the body digest. Carrots have a lot of fiber, which can help you digest food better and keep you from getting constipated. Can make the immune system stronger. Carrots have a lot of vitamin C, which is a key nutrient that helps your immune system fight off infections and keep you healthy. Cucumbers have a lot of water in them, so they can help you stay hydrated. Cucumbers are mostly made of water, so they are a great way to stay hydrated. This can help keep your skin looking young and stop problems caused by dehydration. Vitamin K, which helps blood clot, is found in a lot of these foods. Vitamin K is important for keeping blood from clotting and for keeping bones healthy. Cucumbers are a great source of vitamin K. Helps bring down blood pressure. Cucumbers have a lot of potassium, which can help lower your blood pressure and make you less likely to get heart disease. Can make skin health better. Cucumbers have a lot of silica, which can help make your skin more flexible and lessen the look of wrinkles. Can help you lose weight. Cucumbers are a great food to eat when trying to lose weight because they are low in calories and high in fiber. Carrots and cucumbers both have a low number of calories. Carrots and cucumbers are both low in calories, which makes them great foods for people who want to lose weight or keep their weight at a healthy level. Can help bring down swelling. Both carrots and cucumbers have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve overall health. Can be good for your heart. Both carrots and cucumbers are high in fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help improve heart health and lower the risk of heart disease. Can help get the body clean. Carrots and cucumbers both have a lot of vitamins and minerals that can help the body get rid of toxins and clean itself out. Can improve overall energy levels. Carrots and cucumbers can help improve your overall energy and keep you feeling refreshed and energized by giving your body the vitamins and minerals it needs. Most people can eat carrots and cucumbers safely as part of a healthy diet, as long as they don't eat too much of them. Both are low in calories and full of important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help improve health and wellness as a whole. Overall, carrots and cucumbers are both healthy foods that can be part of a well-balanced diet. As long as you eat them in moderation and with other foods that are high in nutrients, you shouldn't have any major side effects. I've always been interested in eating well and finding ways to improve my health and wellness as a whole. So when I found out how good cucumbers are for you, I knew I had to add them to my diet. I started by putting cucumbers in my salad every day. This helped me drink more water and stay hydrated all day. I also noticed that the high fiber content of cucumbers kept me feeling full and satisfied, which made it easier for me to control my cravings and stick to my weight loss goals. We hope that you learned something from this video and that you'll start eating more carrots and cucumbers. These two superfoods are not only tasty, but they are also full of important vitamins and minerals that can help your health and wellness as a whole. Remember that even small changes to your diet can have a big effect on your health and well-being as a whole. By eating more carrots and cucumbers, you can take advantage of all the health benefits these two power foods have to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. We'll tell you more about how simple changes to your diet and way of life can improve your health and well-being. Take care until next time, and eat your vegetables. And don't forget to add carrots and cucumbers to your daily meals to improve your health and give your body the nutrients it needs.